Yes, me there again, my people, once more, you know. Yeah, big up respect and manners to each and everyone. I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Alright, so first things first. I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to listen carefully to some things that a person said in this video. In the video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that them broke his shop. So based on some things that the person said in the video, I assume that the person claimed that a shop had been broken into. Now, I think it would be best if you look and listen to the video for yourself, viewers and subscribers, and try to get some form of understanding about the things that the person said in the video. Alright? And please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, viewers and subscribers. So viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Sprinkling them, man.
Watch now. Watch. Me I go show you what I go and see it. Watch me I show you what I go and see it. Them broke shop you know, watch ya. I me yard this you know, me I show you no see it ya. I powder them and me I show you know what they take and powder the yard. Them powder the yard, see it.
Dog, you look fine.
I show me I will show you. Look. Look, see them now.
You see first
and I front of me yard this seat there. Powder them powder the yard and broke the shop. I can show you see it there.
All your time I take up some might see him.
I can show you see it there. See the window there. Let me show you see it there. Dig off the shop man. See it there, see the window them there. See lock them there. See them there. Dig down in shop and see it there. Then come here, master. See there? See box there? See them there? Yeah, man. The big man, them pass through and take what they are. But then guess what, look? Guess how? No money, no night. Then get. That are the things. So they work in a vein last night. So I say it go. I say nothing.
What I'm saying? No money? No money. Ah, my people, may I tell you. Hey, I'm afraid of them powder thing there, you know. You hear the person saying that the video? Eh? My people, me tell you something. Once me hear anything about powder sprinkling or powder and so forth, me start to wonder if it is science or if a hobby. See? Because me is a man, you know. Me not understand hobby. Me no know if hobby really work, but me still afraid of it, you know. Yeah, man, still afraid of it, my people. Yeah, but still, tell me what you think about that video, the viewers and subscribers, because, you know, based on some things that the person said in the video, I assume that the person claimed that a shop had been broken into, viewers and subscribers, alright? So I'm going to move on to another topic now. See? Now, my people, ever hear nobody a cuss with anybody over rum yet before? Have you ever heard people argue with one another over alcohol before? Well, my people, I'm going to present a video to you. And in this video, you can hear a person arguing with other persons over what I call alcohol. Roma did mention in the video, viewers and subscribers, and the video shows a certain amount of persons. You see? Anyways, I think it would be best if you look and listen to this video for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think, alright? Observe.
Make me go give Biggie back in cup, bad man. You know what's time man over rum, bad man.
So you're bad over rum, glass rum.
My youth. Let's see uno people. I'm still with uno now. The people that me down the party, uno go on like uno want style people, bad man.
They are bad artists,
Look how much people are choking no rum. Why are you choking so much, brother?
Man, see rum the bad man, no drink.
Come, my friend, entertain on a ball.
Man,
Entertain on a ball of a free rum. Come, man. Entertain on a ball of a free rum. Come on, you have put disgrace for the music business. Entertain on a ball of a free rum.
But them a fight me over free rum and that me a show you.
Oh, you bust a tune after that, yeah?
And that's your video.
Well, my people, have you ever heard a saying where some people might say, what is joke to you is death to frog? You ever hear that saying there before? Eh? And at the first, me see and hear someone behave certain ways over alcohol and viewers and subscribers. You see? And alcohol can be very dangerous to your health. And on a tonic. Now let me say these things before we move on to our next topic. You must be of the legal age to drink any form of alcoholic beverages. And to each and every adult, if you decide that you're going to drink alcoholic beverages, please do so responsibly. You want to know who me I talk to? Please look at the letter between the Y and the I on your keyboard or keypad. Yes, I'm talking you, alright? Now, I am going to present a video to you that I be recorded in Jamaica. And this video is going to show a man who had been shot and injured. Now, according to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the man was involved in a confrontation with a person at a business establishment. And it is said that the person shot and injured the man. Now, it is said that police responded to the situation where it is said that the man was shot and injured by a person, viewers and subscribers. And there are some allegations as to who that person be that shot and injured the man. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you shows when the man was placed in the back of a police service motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that there are more than one pieces of videos posted certain places on social media that show some things that happened after the man had been shot and injured. See, I got the understanding that quite a number of persons did not agree with the way how the man had been shot and injured. In my point of view, I think that the situation could have been handled better, but there are some questions being asked about the whole situation. Viewers and subscribers, I wanted to also pay close attention to markings that you can see on the side of a police service motor vehicle in the video that I'm about to present to you. Now, I'm going to present one of those videos to you so that you can have a better understanding about the whole situation. Please bear in mind that the video shows a man who had been shot and injured, and it is said that the man was taken to get some medical attention. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Tina must dead. Tina must dead. I rush them, we rush him go to hospital.
But that means like he shoots it. That's why we tell some people don't have no gun.
So security, I want everyone in security and beat him.
Alright, my people, so there are allegations about the whole situation as to who the man be who shot and injured the man, viewers and subscribers. If you listen to the video, you can hear the word security, right? So listen to the video carefully. You can hear the word security. Yes, I'm asking my people. So the thing about it is that I didn't get any confirmed information about the man's medical condition, viewers and subscribers, but hopefully I hope that everything alright. You see me? Yeah. Alright, so with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think. Now, I got information that at least 2 people had been killed following a motor vehicle crash that happened along a road that's between St. Ann and Trelawney. And those are parishes within the country of Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that the incident happened on Saturday. That's the 12th of November, the year 2022. See? So it is said that several other persons had been injured. You see? Yeah, it is said that a certain amount of persons had been taken to hospital to get medical attention, viewers and subscribers. It is said that a coaster bus collided with what is said to be a truck, viewers and subscribers. See? And, you know, eyewitnesses who was at the scene talk about the whole situation, you know. Some people basically are expressing how bad the situation be. So many viewers and subscribers, but please bear in mind that as the story develops, there might be more things that have happened and might happen that I cannot really explain right now. Alright? But I also have left with my people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Jano, it's really sad to see how certain things keep happen on Jamaica Road, you know, this motor vehicle accidents and so forth. You know, I mean, also accidents do happen, but are the type of accidents, my people, you know what I mean? Yeah. Because based on certain things that happened, there are some form of questions being asked as to who was speeding and who was right from who was wrong. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.